hadin live saus dem ke Jinglong district Bapura jongga Ribhoi district menta ke singi ngila ban sakhi ya ke Jingkiu jong district de ke Jingla jong sarkar ban penbang ya kene ke Jingrap ya kene ke jaka ke Bangidon menta ke Jingkli pajba ya ke artificial turf football ground hang ne pok sunong umbuda bat lengba kene ngila banong ba ka Kikam Sports hapo ke district Ribhoi kila nangkiu na gawai kesnem syagawai pat kesnem ya kene ngi hapan ai ke burom ya kinong ya khun ban penio ya kene ke jaka kumne kumba golong menta kentup nadu kinong ilam sports ki seng balang ki nong mikmat pajba bat kerpang ya ketana sports jong sarkar jelah kene di kesingi kerpang ilese ya ke Ribhoi district bakayo aban sakhi ya kene ke Jingkiu Kikam Sports bat ngikermen ba lengba kene ke madan kinmi shibun kinong ilekai betebit ki bala aban mikmat di district Omtang ek district Henry ya ka jela berkawai bat ngimi lentiru bakin don kinong ilekai football napoka district Ribhoi bani omik mat negeri India.
As we receive with a very warm welcome our honorable chief guest of the government of India. Ya kami umar congratulations to you. The Mauro Sports Jingpili ya kini madan ya lekai football ya kini ceremonial first kick hakini madan Mauro first artificial football Kali ayun sini na happy magkasong senang Saki kini form of football Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome them with another warm round of applause. Paningin happy
members of the Mauro Umra Management Committee. I would also like to congratulate the members of the committee, including our district sports officer, including the headman of both the Mauro and the Umra villages, and all the other members with whose hard work we are seeing this infrastructure today. I would also like to welcome our officials and the children and the students who have come here today. It is said that in a healthy body resides a healthy mind, and that's why having sports as part of your life is really very important. And football is a sport loved across Meghalaya, especially. We are going to have the national games also next year, and I'm sure that this very playground will make sure that we will have some world-class participants participating in the national games as well as other tournaments that are going to take place. It is also very vital that we have good grassroots level infrastructure so as to make sure that our youth do not get misguided, especially in the negative wave of drugs. As our Honorable Prime Minister has also recently addressed all the students across India, and we have to go for the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, and under that we have to make sure that we are providing our children, our students with the physical activities and the sports infrastructure so as to make sure that they do not get diverted towards the evils of drug abuse. I'd also like to tell all the students to please make sure that this facility is made the best use possible, and to the committee members also that please make sure the maintenance of the facility is kept up to the best possible level, and whatever help is required from the office of the district administration and from the district sports office, we will always be there as part of the committee as well. And to the students, again, please make sure that you make sports an integral part of your life, and this ground gives rise to many stars, I would say, in the future.
Menteri Rembak trong cái jalan ini, si kodrat ke sama, iladan kebentak ko kau, nado ko basang, na kebentak pun urlong ni kene projek. Yai kuri kerbang, ya i sports minister ini bawalah di Islam, indah napering di Islam. Bisa hari bermandi, kami dan sumi na hospital di Pakistan. Yai ini kuri ini, kekunhun menteri, kegoren berokoi. Kibudan kebentar kau. Di Polok ini dari boy, di Bekesan dan Kepol, bantu kita. Mengenai kemudian dari yang dibersang. Bagi sokren harga first piece, kalau kentuk ia kena kemudian kami OPE dan ini galeri dressing room kibudan kami. Bagi ini sedang mahaka face kamar, gini abang friend, saya sitting gallery, saya dibentar sekalian seraman gitu ni. Bahkan persuk yang wanita kai football hari ini dikatakan. Nama kata kini kapor kini kapatmen, bagai Islam bersibit hari ini kai exhibition match the football. Apa yang MLA 11, but officers 11 in society. Hari ini kai kapitunan. Ia jadi hari por kepada di Polok ini dijadi Ibu-ibunya kaya nak kapor, kunjuk urut officers ini. Bagaimana sih menong? Bagaimana kaya menong kebijakan apa yang lebih adil di tim. Pandangi sekhmat, Kamauro Pemuda Management Committee, Kedai Komiti Kedai Deputi Deputi Commissioner Komisioner, Jamut Kerang Wasyong dan Ati Syong Komiti Vice Chairman. Di SOJ Kusketri Batui Dikot dengan atli Darbar Syong Bat Sports Club Impet Intmi Manmanage yang kejadian baik jom kini Ramadan. Tentu mengakarpan di dalam Syong Iru Ikai Football Bagi perlengkap di Ramadan. Kini nak bentai jom baik-baik nak bentai di Sport Association Menterdok di League di Hotel nak bentai di training camp di Hotel Akademi bertugas dokter. Nasukmen lebih selok bagi district sports officer itu agak bangga jadi kepemit berkawin kepenhun nasional kewalapau mengimbu jika akademi yang berada football hangi dan don hakelinti berikret bagaimana kalau berkinti di bersama dengan berkatan lalu dengan the 12 dan the 14 bertugas dokter bagi Islam. Bagaimana di posisi demi kubilang som-som kan urung na kebenta kalau itu belum diakai football. Kesorkar dia kalau ini izin penang harga budget izin penang tegak. Kalau penang bun syak kerana pun Islam. Bagi izin kelar bun atau dia bagaimana diakai berkiwi-kiwi.
The first artificial turf Apo trong katan Riboy Bagaso Manai Kejiro Your Honorable Chief Minister for the overall development and commitment to develop different sports activities and take the youth forward for each and every individual events, the skill that all the players, boys and girls, from Riboy district and the state as a whole. This shows the commitment that the MDA2 since 2018, the MDA1 and then now MDA2 up to the present day. The government achievement compared with different activities, especially with sports. There are many projects that has come out. The projects, the iconic projects, artificial turf, mini stadium, futsal, basketball, badminton court, indoor stadiums, athletic tracks, swimming, natural turf. Total together, kalong kagihin kulum lang baro, ilapoy sispa lipo pratali, kita ki different types of kita ki programs development infrastructure ibaga sarkar keladep menteri nakabenta kumno ban aila ekipun sama iwadon haki sap kejuki haki kam sports lakalong haka football lakalong haka basketball lakalong haka cricket lakalong haka hockey lakalong haki indoor sports badminton table tennis batkum tatete agri kasi bari kemelang lengkap bati baro kiberon hari kasi nantari saki ya kaneka jingkli palba ya ke first artificial turf hapo jong kaneka district hapo nongpo kaslo balpen pau daga jing sokmen ya kamauro umduba management committee kumlapan snow lapan pau di local MLA bat ingiskem badeling ba ke jing prestom badeling ba kata ke jie trelan lingba kenika management committee ringkat bat administration ringkat bat sports department ringkat bat local representative jompi balala man pinurung ya kenika first artificial turf football turf hapo jom kenika district hangi hapo nongpo kenika jindon jingem kaset kabak sarkar kalai nagamata jompi Alba kenika assets kaba don hari hapo mauro umbuda kalong ke jimentoy nagamata ki kun sama jong ka thambi boy ke jongi ibangai i kanang mi pisngi ikun sama na kini thambi boy laglong ki kentai lagi shinrang ilala an penpau yuladi aki kami lekai kiba per kamtam aku football kepada ke jingim lawan kami kira ikan ke football kepada ke jingim nagam tajungi nakai dari kali ini baru iwe ngau bayang hangi kiba syong guest of honor MLA colleagues baru bagi rakan dik-dik lapan pau ba ikwa ban peni kegesah kejunki tam everyday football ini ketika la talenti kaba ke sports department ke soccer ke play na kebenta ikut sama na kebenta ki sports person baru ba pilih ban penan kam yang ketika aset kepada soccer kalai na kebenta jopi ya ada buru ya kejingkar pat ya Camellia Football Association iron di presiden hali bala daba ila dete kini ada penyenaguri ada pendap dengan karpa BI ba idon kam ya ka academy la kalong under 14 under 13 under 10 kalong kabadon kam ni idon ni academy presiden idon ane ba hamlet dengan kermen scam baling ba kajindon jo kani kamadan ba lingba kajing pila na kumta bandon ni kita ki academy ki bafer ye ki chachile kai ki bafer kam ban sim ne ki kna nadu bagi dangre dayla ban sim ne ki kna nadu bagi dangre itip ye ke skill ke juki ke sap ke mamaki ki dan ba klempet ke jela ke juki on sanang la ban yo susu ya ki players ke betibet ki wala ban mikmat ya ke re India hi borogaway ba ki wala ban pau apo jo ke international level ke ba ikan scam ba kanu ka thong ke jingpu kanom long le noi hele lingba ke jing simpia ke jo ke session lingba ke ji trailan jo ki do bosno lingba ke jing simpia jo ki players baru ibadon haki sap ke mamaki kiran ke kerpa ya baru ibadon ni ki khun ikti ibadon ni ke sap play kala talenti nan ta ki jo ki bakin mi shekmat ban pau ye kata kesap ke juki kang ba magi hakwe kesni kin salong kita iklur jong keri ke jongi
kapor i ban pau ye kajing sewu pan kajing khuble ke karpang yang chief guest Perdana Buram jongi isar sostenes totun ibalong minister jong kasin abdi bagedi ibalang roilan panlong chief guest pan Pli Perdana yang kini kemandan kai kebagi 4 jupus new benar-benar kulis punya bisa na kementar kini gejing pelakor duty konon Pli Paiba yang kini kemandan i penpauru gejing kublai kebagerpang nadu berdunut bagamunsil ya i MLA dan belum jungi i badu merah bon sim i bala tresitom sisa nadu kabasam hadu kak mentah mene bak inangnya tre susu lenter kai agini si benawan.